we're actually performing tonight.
Oh my gosh, it's crazy how fast time passes. Almost like I blinked and I went from an audition to an actual show night. It's been pretty stressful, but otherwise it's been okay.
So 2 weeks from today, the whole auditorium will be filled with actual audience members.
Because that pain is very hard to get out. It's also stressful.
A week of casting and then a 6-week rehearsal process. That's really no different. This show goes up about the same time that our opening show